Welcome to another episode of Sisters Cooking and Crafts. Today we will be making fluffy slime. Here are the supplies. A bowl and spoon for mixing. A bottle of glue. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of borax in 1 cup of water. Then you'll need 1 teaspoon of the mixture in your slime. 1 cup shaving cream. Food coloring, but it's optional. First, put your glue in your mixing bowl. Then put your shaving cream in. And mix. Then put your borax in. And mix. If it's too sticky, add more borax till it's to the right consistency. Then knead with your hands. Finally, add food coloring. Now you can go enjoy your slime. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.